So you're thinking about a companion parrot. Well, here at Pisces Pet Emporium, we have a few for you to consider. Right here, we have a yellow-sided conure in the middle, and then we have two pineapple conures right here. These are a color mutation of the green-cheeked conure. The green-cheeked conure lives about an average of 10 years, but can live up to 25. They originate from South America. They are a small, friendly, very inquisitive, very playful bird. They don't really mimic speech very well, but they do whistle and mimic environmental sounds. They also like to learn a few tricks like roll over or play dead and high five. Right now, these little guys are eating a seed and pellet mix, as well as fresh sprouted grains and veggies every day. Of course, it's always best to keep a really varied diet throughout their whole life to make sure that they get adequate nutrition. They're a pretty good companion parrot for the beginner, as long as you do your proper research, because they are a little bit smaller and quite friendly, and a little bit quieter than most birds. So here we have another small companion parrot. This is a black-headed kike. This bird lives about 25 years plus, and also originates from South America, just north of the Amazon. They are very highly active birds, very playful, very intelligent, pretty much little clowns all the time. They do mimic a little bit of speech, but mostly, once again, sounds and whistles and things like that. They are excellent at learning tricks like play dead or roll over or high five. They are not really considered a beginner bird because they are very strong-willed. They can learn to bite out of spite and need to have a very firm hand when it comes to training. They eat the same thing as the other conures. He has a seed and pellet mix, as well as the grains and the veggies. And basically, he will be a very time-consuming bird. He needs at least even more than 3 to 4 hours a day of training and fun, and plenty of toys in his cage. Colors, mazes, different textures, once again, because he will be playing non-stop all day. His favorite toy is a bell. He loves his bell. So you should really come on down to Pisces Pet Emporium and visit any of our little birds here. Our pet counselors will give you handouts and information on them, and also refer some good books for you, because education is most important when you're looking into getting a companion parrot for yourself.